94.7 Sambe do aja for telephone na wa frɛ onua sɛ catch na trase
Asempa FM
na mungina munim no dwumadi SIC life group policy na maso asin na me din komo bi kakra kyerɛ mo abiri bi betwe mo sɛ me ami hu bi sɛ teacher for mo chade wo yen important mu school si na nsɛm tutu mo na no ya obi ko saving kwala ya otehwe yi o sleepy to yi ni mu no wu obi su kra de mante bi ni o mu konum haba boni wo school bi mu papa e koka o mu di ni pu papa no wu na ye na abai any SIC life on tena se ya nye bibia a teacher for mystery especially on chima no ti because of that no more SIC life group policy to no maso asi ti em say no answer with your 10 cities na bibi toa skatuani de utia aka so minti but the same time abu say na we take a good decision nti SIC to meet you say yarebo say car bo say wasu anything ya will ever affect you time or try the no there or with me ahwe amount na mpo so wo kura be ya kanisika na 80 million that is 18,000 come to me there na wo chi man so nya bibi agya na bibi na antiasia with my from 050 157 0652 050 157 0652 now no more dinkum we are ending the my power so now to me no e bitwemi ni now to etwem no ye bibi fa ho afa me mobile money ho na me chekere mo se mobile money ya depa adentra
Asempa FM
sa nkofo yo mo ba na am robbers ni edwomfo akotonton ade na no fete gomwa fete emaya akofa fish ni akotonton fish ko na akonfo ya ko gira kwan ho aje osika nyine fronsem ti ono kwa ntina mbekire sa mobile money se fa osika kakra beton no minkase mobile money your bank but ton na obefa na beje fronsem de transfer the money nyina to mobile money account ohwe do so na de call bank honso a bit ma bo am otutua akabia isese otua o business kra na otumi ma o business no mobile money account and ya chekere mu nyina nti obetumi nya mobile money mienu back for business and back also for personal into we betua the amount no your mobile money number no ho business need to register fe na e be kire mu saa wie na mi hu se am for free no bi ase ya depa se me o da ase se a chekere mu na Embo problem ka creepy wo na me see you problem here day once you problem ni ye say e bi wo no aye mistake na ni sika call lucky kwan bend obe faso obi frɛ no cheche na dwe bu so frɛ cheche na me see you and the ja kuntabu de ye wie ya ni akopɛ krache oni hu nimde tie ma metu nsa frɛ me nua be no ababo ni din free one of the networks or no so be some abo na omma me kamisa no me chekere senia usika lokwa kwan abefa so eni menima na sene be ya etiefo musu benya bi papa tozo tibenia akwaba
yenyo
na honam de
boko
pacho bodi nche betiefo
okay the di kan met cha ochiefo nyina na frame Charles Ose Owusu
okay
mini MTN na ejuma mobile money ayi nyina enimi na me honum me ye manager for corporate business development
nti una udwudwem una develop a business no
me ana me boa ema enkitahu bia efa businesses companies the only more money sunya out media payment nya minam di hujuma
that's pass when yamre na abechem yen go straight to the point no mobile money dia abeka nya de ebeko bia because I'm for jatu and yeah, most your callers fairing now be you so almost convenience of it. Now they chi had drink a crown. I say MTN me mobile money. Na say me pentem. But me bono sikana could be account. Kwan ben na me fa so me sabe kan misika and as a procedure na day but so bit much chechemu kakra wa.
Okay, me that's it. Asem we there in fact me de so am kwan amaya ba no say be chechemu because yen so dey akoma so. Enti wo hwema enne no mo wo money sabe say we transfer na. E ma on premium ama wa enter number no. Snebe a wa hu say number yen na man wa san confirm me. Na di twa to kra no wase hu nipa ni din e was account no so ansa na why den wa transfer scan so yi nya ye de buy na be boa ama at mistakes ne so but nipa nso de nipa nti bi won ma we nyina ohi bi mu ye den still I mistakes nti de chen say yen so no bibia yemra ko manum mo mani sebe eni okwa enti na esi ehwe sine be a emra kwan sum ne be de betimi so aboa ya enko fo mi sum bo mani enti ene no de atie ne say we mistake a sene your call center sene your branches as if utimi eden utimi ekọ anafre ema hu say see na esi na ndi wa my details no na enso ya eden ahwehwem na de atie ne say transaction na why no I will say mistaken say be a CA and is a pound more than 30 days na che say eno no sa no o free ya fire ne be hwehwem o da be na o yes a transaction nti ehwe ni ehun say okay ampa within 30 days now the be any say enso be start the dimu attitude and say nipa na o say usika call ne ho sabe ebetimi abase enokre ebetimi so abase oh what transfer scam na ebia o fa echi na ebia o san frɛ na o say my mistake tine no san e be ko bi wallet ma eden akwa tini nyina no eden e se e frɛ nipa no
twen o obi betumi a transfer scam na echi no wa catch us wa mistake na sikana wo ho no onu no betumi ko yidie.
Okay. So the tiene say ebu on maybe on nam jom ohun bibi eni je won wato wetu nipa no ebi akodu fie nipa no se be nya na etimu e den dem kan nipa na e den wa friend say oh me mistake my transfer sika say akwakogu asumesi phone so enti we dey sell mu betimi abo ama ayeden I reverse aba back to me phone na se fan nyina de se ebia ampa bibia no kweje se na nipa na frɛ ka che na wan hwa na bibi se na akosi ame akọ reverse scale free obia ebia wetua no genuine exactly genuine recipient ni akọ transfer ska edin sem bebrebe ti dodo no o complain a de ne se sika na wa complain se bia wa transfer no wrongly to nipa no ebe hold this scan ye be hold this scan ye block nipa na account because say be obi onom so a ebia ni sika bi on ni phone so or go tia ne ba school fees obi a ni baby yare
on block
ti en block account ni nyina da bi sika ne pe sika na wa complaining no say be 100 cedis now say 100 your transfer e wrong 100 ne pe ene be hold
na twen before mbe hold no o hwe onia na ofre o no e bo amane mo hwe the number na mu sika na o transfer no so
okay
bonso na o transfer 50 no so me transfer 100 mu be de hu
oh sabe say oh and I make as say o complain here e beji details ni nyina nipa o transfer to e beji ne number date amount any details bi e bo am ya ejuma ti nya afini e be ko nipa no system no so akọhwe say ampa say asumesi we transfer sika free ne wallet so ekọ akọhwe wallet so ana ena ampa say details no ama ni nyina no e ampa ewom just say na waka no
na obedu na oni na ko use kana
eno so ni asem no enti dodo na de tie ne se wo transfer sika no wrongly to obi phone to a se sika no e wo hon ko a ene betimi nya ho akọ eden akọ hodi se sika no
Any other.
eni odi an se ko
Okay. Many a chance me that's papa. Now the woman say, let just say for Muntin you. Charles Casano, as you say, because of my steps. Or say telephone number now transfer Sicano. Obok Tuma, a besam opportunity, what number the bill. Obo number ni bill before Bobo pin number no, only any din ebebaho.
Ebeba. Amount no.
An amount no. You na a work a crowd and a bibichi might be. Because Obi wa na. Sebi previous one go school.
Okay.
Into tuma kan. Is there any way ebe kan guna so? Is there any way and I say how because obu an say onim akan. Because last course be call be buy pa. O say ono onim pin number to do ha. No the pin number na ma crash na or transfer sika no. Inte bi o wa na crash no transfer na sika bi on the wallet no so transfer man ho. Inti ho no a monyu ho kakra because one yan ko school ni de ana hadwene oni de hadwene pa say odu ho pa say o BP nobody dey o de yema me o say o da bi wa bo o say crash me de minim bo ma me nti ho no but the chill be ko fi no be check na je say ya no do so ti aya na mo hwe ya because ade no omo yan ko school no ye pa ni ya mobile mon so nti munye bibi e be so ye so be kan aboy pa ti ye da se papa say ye ba suppose wa ba no be ti ebibia no say ye nya bibi sa ye be frɛ mu na mo ka ya sa na se da we chechire mu da se pa
enso da se bibi a be frɛ no enso be den be ba
da se ya mi shira eje for say me kan jankuntabu krachi ɛne edwudwo mu minia Charles no obedwudwo me kyerɛ no akyekyere mu fefefe e de amaye na ne de dem power so no ɛyɛ taxes ɛto na ye ka se taxes a ɛyɛ den obiara wo Ghana man mu nyinaa no ana se afana bia se brocho se hiu ɛsɛ utua ɛto to say dia okwa sorry a we offering ana so utua tight no saa so na we kroma once we adwuma nkwa de ɛsɛ utua uto enya de adidi agro nteto no ye bibia aban bia okro bia hyehyɛ to na once we adwuma no we say utua uto na tax no ye woto no type mienu pe nyeni bebre mienu bako edifa direct on friend direct na chese wo na wo ye adwuma no ene tax wo direct tax ana se adwuma na wasi no ana adwuma na waye no wonya mfaso a ene ye tax no mfaso na ye tax no ana income na ye tax no so obi otifie na wonya adwuma de untia tax and they are normal because tax is based on income. No income, no tax. Inti kwa ni feno income tax. Inti batuka chese we nya income. Ese se tax for no so hwhwem. No mhuna mpane pa se we nya income bia. Inti na omon tax so. And that one is critical. Second one is indirect tax. Ono no de bibi to say VAT. So, VAT. Ono de is based on expenditure. Inti o to de no na tax wo so. Enu nyento bi wo no say o me dem tax da be. Ba ko ye consumption efa because VAT tin baby. One koto
FM
eduane emfi restaurant. VAT bia na so. Ntuntua VAT. Wanko kraka ama untua VAT bia. Into on the tiny baby, as long as you are consuming expenditure bani de eseso utua se to ho I say tua eseso utua. Ya nunko danchen. Ena ye wo dia wankasa wo any income directly no ensu ubetua. na se beko na ba na ye dede a na che se unya account number bi a ye nyina anim no ye frɛ no tin number to no se be kire wo ha se bomodian na kɔ GRA offices bia ben wo na se kwa no ma ye bi wo website by GRA office be bo no akoye tin number no the tin number no e your reference number na munti o aya na Ghana for ye ka bibia ye didi agrosa aja asema to ansa tin number no enye bibia ye number keke a e kire se anytime obetua wotu obia no enu na ye de be tracking ebedru baby ubo tin number no gu system ni mu a ebe kire wo eto dodo a wotua afiko a wotua no ebe kire wo nti enu no be kire wo oman bapa me hu se ampanempa because aya na ebiwa ebia no metua tax metua tom sa tin number na ebe tracking nti obu ho ye bo tuma se ontua hwe na jai dede ni ye omo mutua na mu nkasa eno de mbedwetwem kaka but that's how it will be ntunya oti number no bebi kutua bibia na ntua ma individual bia okotua wa GRA office so no yetua pe obe make sure say receipt na e be ma ono udin wo ho na oti number no wo so because it's the only way sika no e kwa ban ho na e kire say ifri wo ho ne bae and that is very very key. Me sense bi me sema tin number no ebe boa me hu se wotua woto ntaban be hu se wotua woto na emo efiri ho ne bae and that's the only way se ne be ya enkofa nche obi account mu no aka se me na me de bae ye bra no so enya hu edwuma bia na apart from that no with the tin number no ubetumi a register anytime we decide so baka register business bia wo GRA no without the tin number no onye ma wo uni tin number wo mie ma wo opeso bi account bank account omo nye ma wo opese eyi yamanu we brochre o vehicle kakra opeso ko uni tin number ye nye ma wo se opeso ko je passport uni tin number ye nye ma wo person register was SARS, o clear near my port. In fact, driver's license car, we need tin number. Yeah, mount. Because one and go to a tour. Na dear, person be to a tour. Now be to a tour, then a tin number no. Into a bank share or honey say, oh my name be brave, so we need tin number now. And at the fact so what tin number, then just say, can't it's so good to a tax. Into a tin number no a free no. The tax is demanded on your income. Interfinisu bosumunusu no anje hwe ya. Obi anu oba be hawo. Obi anu oba be hawo.
Asempa FM.
O tax no. So one kasa wo ye wodwuma a me can say one register a business as sole proprietorship there. Only business no o kojo o business nkuntabu so proprietorship mo chese mo mienu nyina mo ye baako amra no hom baako because o business no ye sole proprietorship ntutu bi anim enti eno saa no o tax a obetua no personal income tax no a starting fee some amount na figures ya me hu ye no say 246 cedis into any from 246 cedis per month ekwa ese otuato na eto no obetua ye wo no category on say starting fee 0 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, graduated into bro amount be na akase okay amount we dey 50 time econo ubi 25%. but below that and so he be ana e be 5%, e be ye. Now the only way with mine is say I finish so now fill forms no no fill ni na ni na hawo. Hwe Ghana ni otie mi. Unua bi wa manone a afini so a obuhu so be frɛ no so o claimi or filling income tax forms returns. Ehono o man filling returns one to no basa am filipe ya china tum o de how de
Asempa FM
into filling we are na se ono ankasa hu se wetua eto more than necessary a aban na o krom ho no wontumi hwehwem no mahu se ampa o income na wo ene ye no wo employer sika na omtiti fu akatua no omo nsusu anti because esesa anka mo release bi because we expenditure bi a afadwuma no ho but omo antie mfrim nti yen beti afrim tenu sa no mutu ma refund ebo so na policy bi na esese eto na otua no 15%. But almost to 20%. Into submitting returns now. You show me an investigation new year. You to me can say, oh, I'm overpaid by 5%. 5% plus times the amount you say into a check amount. No according tax refund. Oh, it's because of that, no. Yes, by say you build it be from her. And to build it, no, it to start from the number. In TSS, biara, tin number. I finish soon say, oh, fill returns na, that's when your income, nil, no affiliate. But not just say, what filing. There's a difference between failing, filing, and paying. Oh, failure. Oh, fully based on information on income, what any. Oh, failure, a mremuno is of filing at a certain date. Inti, o record keeping as I say correct. And no sound until a biwa na what G rent because we see dying and one man rent. Rent now, you Emremunu esese onua na obetua osika de amount no oti tax free mu se eye normal rent ya accommodation sa eyi nom ya fie de ya and 8%. Enti se oti bubuashi East Legon ana se Kumasi ana hinfa once akwakọji udan aketua no onane ede ma no esese oti withholding tax and rent tax free mu ono go final ati free 8%. Into say 100 cedis no otua ma esese o ma 92 cedis na odi 8 cedis no akotua ma GRA na wa give receipt or give receipt na woti number e wo so udin ewo so o de be show nsa dachi se afinu sna ko file returns a column bi wo ho bo so na da hye ya tetimi o enie enyina so nie why you free. And because of that no se company na ana onia na otua rent no so anti tax na watumbra. And sometimes tax one ko auditor. Also metua ma no minim mra no ma mtimanti esia wanti nyewe obetua. Ni amonu ne tua. At the same time no say commercial property make a west stock kakaka. Na da high na dey commercial business a. Eno no nye 8% o, only 15%. For commercial activity.
Asempa FM.
Inti emra inti share ewo. Na obehu se Ghana until se obenya asem no na edi amra no bedu. Ti se de ye bookkeeping, ye record keeping, esese tutum jeje. Bibia tutum. edwuma no dia income na wo no dia but mo nyanya so bi record keeping bi wo ho oji rent make sure say wakutua ho tax oji rent make sure say wakutua ho tax eno ano no say wonji rent mpo a na say tuatua fees bi ma wo wa esase ati tax bi free mu withholding tax na mo ton ade pa no na sebi ebi wa company na wakoton ade na man no na odi emra so no especially government companies no government establishments no unzo koton ade man pe no matter withholding tax if you sika na agwa akọje no inse say be 95 100 no one more 95 no mo say withholding tax esom kutua ma ban na nu de wo mu esese busum ne sun ya kutua ma ban a okoji receipt ni bi fiom because enu ni wo tax a wotua minim amanfo bebre ya ti omo withholding tax so man ko back misrew but modian ko back na company na oti withholding tax a wo invoice man no a oti bi free mo ka che so kutua ma ban no on gi receipt ko gi receipt on ho ka che sen kutebo si me gi withholding tax receipt oji pe frame because ubetumi dey call GRA office na ayewo tax credit na che say ayewo deposit on tax
FM
munim say overpay tax na obi bia correct GRA require to ma ngoma e kire wo say mo bi anti withholding tax because wo bi odi huni enti because adama mfa ni agro ebi o ha oso minim say ame omo ye negotiations a obisa say me pacho na mo beti me withholding tax no nyani so an ye betu enti unu de oye enti yakase ye betu no withholding tax no na invoice ni 100 no de abafi no abesisa oso mo beti me sen esibo so ye betu 7.5 oso beti me sen bo so na 5%. It depends on the service in it no any calculation say 5%. Enti na ade 100 no abafie no abe increase no by 5%. It's no 105. Yo. Odo come company no into me 200 na ma na 5 no. Uni bibi 5 no dia o dia. Aya o dia because company ti pe ese o ti wo bi din mu. Wan di no beti wo aya o dia. Inti se odi kan ho so anfan kan ho so ye den once ya ten eye odia bomoden na koji receipt o koji receipt na obia hu se wotua woto because any cry to me reduce o tax because sometimes e bo so na akwa koji edwuma bi koji tender ebi no maka chose ko for tax clearance certificate bra ebi ono akọ mpenемпен wako GRA office so tax clearance certificates because we paperwork na ntan konti and ebo so kra mo we fi se akwane withholding tax oti e no kra no ese so dey receipt na GRA for na ka say betual quarter payment when metua ye ma you know tax certificate no unita certificate so untumi nye tender we nya tender no so untumi nye business we nya business so o profit be go down o dwuma no begu nti ade ni nyina ebeboso nti esese kwan bia so no uso umie weni na o make sure say once I we business in there no why you there why what is right. And very, very, very important. Why what is right. And for more tailoring, ni dressmaking, ni hairdresser, beautician, so the moon that Mudiani income tax stamp. Philly be anyhow. Until my stamp income stamp because your categories no you're categorizing in mo mutonton eye susu barbers dressmaker mo nyina mutua income tax no. But aya no my say tax stamp nti tax stamp no na wakoto bi na utin number ne boso eno so kire wo so dia no to a tax stamp of what activity na we maybe now a mason, we a carpenter, we a mechanic, into mechanic for nyina any carpenter for nyina me amin call for fitter for am no kun toka de bia me de ka ba monye ntem no munyina no esese mo gi mo tin number na akoto tax stamp na tin number ne boso se pe into a bow office or a bow
Asempa FM
kemu bienwa obisiso bien twinsiso because a boom especially commercial drivers no aya na mo wo vehicle tax no so ho mo de mutua no quarterly vehicle income tax, especially this is mo ye commercial near no into ye pena the about windscreen so na just we could tua with because I know it lasted 3 months into 15 be no kutua hwe obon se udi sa ne ma nkiti so unema nyina betuto pa into be and twin stop, especially men call for taxi drivers unim se SSA ukoji AMB KMB TMA permit because we drive you or city but modiana ko bobusi ana koji permit no ade be ya now the ball can nim ade be ya hot eyuakete awudomi cemetery nchen ho na AM fo na begina ho ni a stop passengers wom onni be din komagda back argument no oh we still time be 7-8 minutes I make you could drop a passenger and crank about this for another passenger ever. And to save that commercial loss, no, now you will be a pepe. Missing me a commercial driver can make sure and be behind that so. 1, car no petrol room and send me 2, me driver's license ready. Original the fee, my photocopy down bottom, and now original nation me car seat nasi. 3, me insurance enguye boom.
Asempa FM
4, me DVLA boom. 5, me be boot me who say fire extinguisher nya boom. Me so here 1 2 3 post for you know the be show council me for all correct. Na just will be correct. 2 year pen what to the all correct. All correct because you stop what insurance way in the o DVLA you know patcho in the o fire extinguisher or patcho boot e wan no be a kire no because you are a commercial driver no on person be ebe stop na oni na din kombo na waste your time no apanicho na ade adwuma nya kwa no san pa bibia ma no I na me say the cost of the beji at the corner of no number stop 5 times a day. Not 5 times you know, say 1 city corner man 5 cities. Yes, so kwa your chance no chance come on 9 10 cities. Busun besun say sika wachi che police for no sika keto would ko ya the corner say you na police stop. Me fa ni man ni agro yem boy ho me kwa ton ade kakra ba me ba me be telephone line no na question bi wo mo bisa me contribution wo so no maka.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
How do we teach them well to lead the way when teachers don't have the absolute peace of mind? The GES SIC Life Policy is a well-thought-out life insurance policy designed for teachers to give them absolute peace of mind for the future. With a monthly premium of 10 Ghana cedis per, you are covered up to 18,000 Ghana cedis in times of death, permanent disability, critical illness, and so on. For more, call 0501 694554 or log on siclife-gh.com. SIC Life is your true friend for life in times of trouble. SIC Life, absolute peace of mind.
It's now time for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 main event at the Accra International Conference Center. As Ghana's one-stop shop for the building and construction industry, this year we are pushing the theme, Rethinking Building Technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing. Thinking of buying a home or remodeling your existing structure? Want to know about exciting new trends or just looking for exquisite and durable accessories to make your home unique? Then join us for the Joy News Habitat Fair 2019 in collaboration with Elegant Homes and SuperSem Cement. From insurance, finance, security, and energy, we have you covered. It's a 3-day event at the Accra International Conference Center from Friday, September 20 to Sunday, September 22, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. To sponsor or exhibit, please contact 054-431-0864 or 054-690-8179. For 2019 Joy News Habitat Fairs brought to you by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. SuperSem Cement, build your dream. And is sponsored by Pair Talk, Timeless Architectural Fittings, Vodafone Fixed Broadband. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? DBS Roofing, Roofing Papa Fie, Domod Roof, distinct and dependable. McDuncan Company Limited, Building Futures, and Elbeam Reality. Your home is your wealth. Join us Habitat Fair 2019, rethinking building technology to give true meaning to affordable housing.
Bernard Amankwa present Celebration of His Grace, the 12th edition 2019. It's happening on Sunday, the 22nd of September 2019 at the National Theatre. Time 5 p.m. Featuring Pastor Nanaya Emoji.
Asempa FM.
Pastor Roderick Ejekum Koda. TY Crew, the Matters Family, and Presence Band. Your host is Bernard Amankwa.
Don't wanna leave your presence, just as I can. Don't wanna leave your presence, just as I can.
Rate 30 Ghana Cedis single, 50 Ghana Cedis double, and 50 Ghana Cedis VIP. Grab your tickets at Joy FM, Sunny FM, Abuso Kanshel, National Theatre, ICGC Christ Temple. For more details, please call 0244-614-933. Sponsors InnoLink, Reroy, Innovate, Controlite, New Professionals, Media Partners, Joy FM, Adum FM, Hits FM, Asempa FM, Adum TV, Joy Prime. Don't forget, it's happening on Sunday, the 22nd of September 2019. Come and have an awesome time in the presence of God.
Aha! Afei the fiesta numera bayate. Your ultimate sports station Asempa 94.7 FM. DBB for crowd na emperor. Ready. Kayewo, my switching console for I am proud zone. Fiesta 20th September 2019 7 p.m. Yes, switch it and you won't be prep zone.
Inquitable Cratchit Medina was Sugusa Wuti was Asempa FM 94.7. Some may be a telephone line. Na wait me a fray, na Komobi Ohana on me. FAD actually wanna be
Asempa FM.
Pacho 030-221-6545 and that's 0302-216-546. What's our phone number? Number 030-216-545 and that's 0302-216.
Hello.
Pacho, my new.
Pacho, where you going?
For you too.
Pacho, the man I am in the taxi driver. And yet, Lancers in me, road work in the INCCR. You said the day Begina task force, or more INCCR. The day Begina Quabafa passenger, any problem.
Now, Obejina, not money, na bus stop, baby, Obejina bus stop, new.
A jump, Pacho. I say, want to me, quite about you to me, let's see a cozy canesi, and I say, sort of cozy canesi. Who to almost there 5 bars of work on to fry. In the end of the hour, to me, you know, getting about a passenger. And yeah, maybe also I am far. No stop, and I say, no parking, BNC, and so you're rather chew. I will try to can that task force. I bet your car.
Onim de ambe esese muye nuko na mukabum na muye letter koma senkra ha mukoma AMB na much se mupe baby a taxi driver taxi begina ti no mod onwe so taxi no de abubo mukam with my contribute to me taxi signboard no taxi can stop here no bus taxi ebi o taxi and buses taxi na che say muye sa na maybe betumi aboa good idea nti mu bond na mu ni AM for no mu
Asempa FM
mu ni AM for no te sa na de bobo taxi can stop here na so bi ko stop wrong place ye chiwa ye no kwa taxi was achu why
okay Jamaica
you hello
Abra
eja pajwa ni o
no mo ache
eja edosun
but me ka se fi enyinam
okay
akwa program na kama na tax ni tua na de enye ye o na tax ni tua abanya de o so de ye mo man no edu ba bia ya na hadin so ete de o ka za bo chi bi tua tax ma fe ne so a okọ no ko hwe system ai menye so se bitu mesisa
ABC on my refund but
ABC mumba
dakro me don be ba na onwo be chechirem na mu nyina be hu
na wo ka bi biti se fitani mezi ne akoye na juma ofu bo mu nyina tua income tax omutua omo income tax stamp omutua mezi fo mo ga na nyina tua bi
ese so omutua nye so omu nyina tua ese so omutua
ye dan fo no so aban de na oye ma wo
oh
no one who income tax letter because baby for come kwanye street light near the baby kwa light kwa ni o no tia face ka we no edu baby ali tia na ya
I know but then
and the other buy no so bon homo din scan ye tia no de aye o man na fe de nye de hunya
yo all right that's it hello Epacho 0302.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, Pajwani.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Pajwani.
Medendi Emmanuel.
Morning to you.
Asempa FM.
Metia way na am say enuntina person from bizem company and a year juma. Na me paying slip ayo mo de mama say me sure so me hunu say ya kire bibia was say bia metia tax and I say metia GR for yi omo agemetin number na dey na even though omo tiameka efa bank mo bet me sure me paying say bibia no sante no mpacha say me call GR office na me ko bi say so omo tia na say enya dey I say me ko onum e company
o pay slip no
mpacha
o pay slip na ahwe ni ye ubon baby a cho gross
okay
na ya cho gross ni wi na ya chro social security na ya chro income tax in sometimes am income tax sometimes am yen PAYE na so na net nta ahwe ni ye so hwe na ni so dia ko mo accounts office we dwumo no bisan say o pay slip on church baby a wakitu na nkasa on church o muye na aya na on tiase papa into church o mu no anti tax na or church tax motua dia then that means the motua na just busun be right you
and the work in the back over to me
you hello we pacho with my friend was 0302 216 545 and now it's 0302 216 546 na utumi ni edi enkomo efa de manchire hu ana bibi sana no wayo unum se bibia o ye bia no sometimes okaso be di process hello
hello
Pajwani
Yeah, made the boating because of free. I'm a samai.
You're what it you?
So that's about income taxes.
Asempa FM.
Yes, so you can come in. Now, Obia won't yet, Juma. Unya idea now, yeah, tax law, because I don't know what you guys will be a chosika. Obi here now, I'm up for the mouse car, and so you can have one on your schedule the other day. Almost as I can at the mountain of the trade, the other day, I chose also to tax. I say, if this law, what can I say? I know what you want is how. Was this a camera at the actual also 3 hour tax? Let me have my member. No, what should I do? Obi saw my miscarriage of Franco the other year. I don't remember who couldn't 3 hour tax. Omo church ebe no omo producer am a Mr. Jawo boy. And one of the call from omo fa mame.
Your friend no gift tax. Na the omo ni say sika no ade channel free obusua ho oyire ho ukunu ho enema yen taxi. Na maybe obi kakraka bi ema osika kese bia. Because one more gift to necessarily declare near due tax and hello. What do I need? Morning.
Hello.
Morning, but you at you.
Too much say tax piano. In fact, you won't Fasobia there also. But so that no man can give you a say, maybe street light, I mean, I can't watch them way. Obedu be engagement in Edu. And that tax, I mean, so Utia, Catapa, Utu, Batimi Wow, Baha and Sisa. Utu Kwaya, you might be brave or tax a yama to my Mufono.
Semper FM.
Bagana Hano and Sisa. Tax forces Adikonu Aboso. Ujina bat of Omocho. Bat of your 1 to 2 minutes. Also, Jina and 1 minute can I bet you. It in fact, I say you were Maya, you need 24 my no more. No my cost, in fact, and Yadia, Yabujusu. It is a man no Maka, no matter Musuba no Muni or my Umwa. Other drivers, you need phobia. In fact, the idea has in Papa.
You mean me that's pa so why express who disapprove a kakra and say I am there. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
But
yeah, good morning.
Morning.
E patwa for mo.
E jadom ye das.
Se den yami ase. E patwa mo so problem kakra ne se. Ya kwan ni na ase. Etiata senso a ye hu ne eko. Esi a uba Jericho kwan so a wa hama Jericho Lebanon atadeka eni Ajekojuwa ekwani na ase but inka time so yechia last time bi mikita me ameka say in e fene say air refresh they did do je fene say
fire extinguisher. Yes,
fire extinguisher me dey no asa policeman delay me by 2 hours just because of fire extinguisher no. I love it. At the end of the day I need to settle him, and which is by we are not even safe. Me Juma or company be a person body. We've been serving for that company over so many years. I casual. I don't know if the company DMA it's a contract without giving us anything. At the end of the day, old staff call out and new staff inside because say the way you calculate the someone cast down a pay so much, which is very bad. At the end of the day, what happened? We use robbery and stuff, and these are not helping.
Asempa FM.
It's not helping. Because once a while I quite remember say parliament say they are going to talk about this contract things, and they should wake up because we are not getting more younger.
Next week, the man say, "Me pay me microphone be from National Youth Authority na." So they have drink kakra.
It's true. It's a micro power fee. Me person about company that can even mention the company name.
Yo, that's it. Say Samre mitamaso nti dasane ebeba na yenmu abetwa eso nti That's it. Yamik Ponkamu.